Welcome to Smoky CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to be doing an engraving of Jesus' head. This one actually came to me as a request from a friend. He saw this rendering and wanted me to see if I could do it. And to be honest, this is not the first time I've tried this one. I've tried it a couple of times before, and for some reason the code that I had produced with my program, it just didn't come out right. I mean, it just had problems. I still don't know what the real issue was. I ended up finding just a different photograph of it and tried again, and it came out good. And let's get started. Well guys, that's it. I think it came out pretty good. It was pretty interesting. I'm sure a lot of you thought the same thing I did. When it was going along there, I wasn't real sure what it was doing until I put the color to it. And then once you put the color to it, you can actually see the depth of it. Whenever you really get close to it, it still, to me at times, looks a little different. But when I stand away from it, I can see it perfectly clear. Anyway, guys, I thought it came out really good. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.